Alright guys, welcome back to another video, and this time I am in a KGVRP special roleplay. So basically there is a birthday party right now, and yeah, so it's for one of the staff members. So outside there is an inflatable castle so you can jump, and over here there is the big free fall ride. Anyway, that's gonna be really cool. They were just cleaning up the vomit from before, so yeah, that's why it's not open right now. Yeah, some pretty nice cars here. Hellcat, wait no, this is a 392. RS6, my Beetle RSI, Cullinan, Lexus ES, G-Wagon, CRV. It's not that nice though. This is pretty sick though. All-track, and an MX-5, and here there's a new Tundra. Alright, now go check out what's inside. Yo, this is so cool. So right here there's this thing. It's kind of like a light up something. I've never seen that before. Here there's some tables, and here's the dance floor. So, watch this. I can beat everyone here with this ultimate dance move. Watch this. Oh, yeah. Now over here's the DJ station. Wow, that looks so realistic. There are some brownies, and here there are some muffins and some drinks. Oh, look at this. This, I believe, is Heen's 2007 Dodge Charger Super Bee. Oh no, I just got called Stinky. Alright, this is a mess. Everyone's lining up for birthday cake. Wait, what? What? Alright, the Tower of Terror is now open. Okay, now people are magically floating on top, which is pretty cool. I've never seen that before. Okay, we're going up. Okay, and here comes a free fall. I guess not. Wait, someone fell out! Oh my gosh, okay, that was fast. Oh my, what happened? What happened? Oh no. Alright, so it's the morning after the party, and boy, that was a really good party. So now I guess I'll go back to my apartment. Okay, so there's actually going to be a car meet at Just Buy, and I think I'm just gonna head right there in this, because this is one of the most unique cars out there. There's just something so cool about this Sky. It just gives off a really cool vibe for some reason. Okay, let's see what's here. We've got a retired Dodge Charger police car, very cool. Got a really cool spec on this C5 Corvette. I love the wheels. Here we've got a Turbo S, sick spec by the way. My Turbo S is arriving very soon, so yeah, coming to the channel very soon is a Turbo S. And then got a ZR1. Here's an Aventador SVJ. This is sick. Maserati Levante 911 GT3, also coming to the channel very soon. Another Turbo S, a Red Eye. This is sick and plum crazy too. Then an SLS AMG. Pretty much the perfect spec. Dark gray, silver wheels. Chrysler Pacifica Hellcat. What a wacky car, but it's so cool. Heen's 2007 Charger Super Bee. Incredibly cool. Got a pink Audi R8. Not sure about the color, but the car sure is cool. You've got a Golf GTI. Very nice. So yeah, I think I'm gonna end the video here. This was super fun. Birthday party plus a car meet. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to go drop a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.